birthday. Okay, Ate Sky and family, together with Coco Martin.
And Sammy, are you ready?
Ready? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, kaya i-blow, blow. Ang candle mo, ang sabi mo. Tikman mo na, shake it, masayang mag-birthday, mag-enjoy. At dito, everyday, sama. Ang buong pamilya, let's do this one more time. Kaya i-blow, blow. Ang candle mo, ang sabi mo. Tikman mo na, happy birthday, Ate Sky. Make a wish and blow your candle. Ate Sky, make a wish. Ay, sorry. Ay, sana po nga, nagamay mo.
Oh, yeah, guys, go and make a wish.
Wish.
Saya ng birthday!
Kami na pong bahala mag-walis niyan.
Thank you. Ang galing ni Sky. Oh, galing ha, complete. Nakita mo, ayan yung cake. Oh, ayan o. Ayan yung cake. Oh. Ayan na. Sky, ano sasabihin mo kay Sky? Kay Ninang galing.
Sana magpapalin siya. Kasi gusto ko na siya makita. Gusto ko na siya makita.
Ah. Oh, ang saya ng birthday ni Sky.